Hey lovely people, today we are going to talk about double door refrigerators. As I mentioned in my previous videos, the Republic Day sale has started from the 16th. This is a really great time to invest in appliances or big ticket items for your home. You can grab some very good products at great prices, so don't delay. I have a small request as well. If you like the video and find it helpful, please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without any delay, let's start today's video. First, let's talk about Samsung's premium and smart refrigerator. It comes with a 330 liters capacity, which is quite ideal for small to mid-size families. The biggest highlight of this fridge is its 5-in-1 convertible feature, where you can convert the freezer into a refrigerator according to your needs. This feature is very useful during parties, festivals, or bulk grocery shopping. It comes with a digital inverter compressor which consumes less electricity and keeps noise levels very low. This Samsung model is Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can monitor and control it through a mobile app, which is a very useful feature for today's smart homes. Talking about the design, the Bespoke series has a very premium and minimal look. It is available in different colors and finishes that can easily match modern kitchens. So before buying, make sure to go through all the available options. If you want technology, flexibility and a premium feel, this Samsung refrigerator is a strong option. Now, let's talk about LG's reliable and value for money refrigerator. It has a 242 liters capacity, which is perfect for couples or small families. This fridge uses LG's smart inverter compressor, which handles power fluctuations well and provides long-term durability. LG's cooling performance is very consistent, and thanks to its frost-free technology, there is no headache of manual defrosting. It also comes with a multi-air flow system, which ensures uniform cooling in every corner of the refrigerator. The design is simple and clean, and LG usually offers this model in multiple color options such as glossy or matte finishes. If you are looking for a simple, dependable and budget-conscious choice without unnecessary complexity, this LG refrigerator is a very practical option. Now let's move on to the largest and boldest refrigerator on this list, the Haier 602 liter side-by-side model. This fridge is for those who want a large storage, a luxury feel and maximum flexibility. It comes with 100% convertible technology, allowing you to fully customize the freezer and fridge space according to your usage. Haier's expert inverter technology provides both energy efficiency and silent operation. On the front, you get a digital display panel which gives the refrigerator a premium appliance look and makes the controls very easy to use. For ice lovers, it comes with a triple twist ice maker, which is a very convenient feature. Along with this, the Duo Fresh technology helps keep food fresh and odor-free for a longer time. This refrigerator is perfect for joint families, large households or luxury kitchen setups. All three refrigerators are strong in their own way. The final choice depends on your family size, usage and budget. Links to all the products are available in the description box and pinned comment, where you can check the latest prices and offers. There are very good deals available right now because the sale is ongoing, as I mentioned earlier. If you found the video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.